Introducing ArcticBlast, the ultimate cooling pain-relieving liquid designed to help you fight those nagging aches and pains. Whether you're experiencing muscle tension, arthritis, or just a hot day, ArcticBlast has you covered. What sets ArcticBlast apart from other cooling products on the market? Let me tell you about its unique blend of natural ingredients that work together to give you the ultimate soothing experience. First, we have the potent menthol ingredient, known for its cooling and pain-relieving properties. When applied topically, menthol quickly penetrates the skin and provides quick and effective relief from aches and pains. We also have the addition of peppermint oil, which offers a fresh and minty sensation that further eases discomfort. The combination of menthol and peppermint oil works synergistically to give you a cooling and refreshing two-in-one experience. ArcticBlast also contains aloe vera and colloidal oatmeal to provide additional soothing and moisturizing effects. Aloe vera helps hydrate the skin, while colloidal oatmeal adds another layer of nourishment and healing. All of these ingredients combine to create a powerful cooling and pain-relieving solution that's perfect for soothing your aches and pains, whether you're at the gym, working on the computer, or simply straining your muscles throughout the day. So the next time you need a cooling, pain-relieving solution, give ArcticBlast a try. You'll feel the difference in minutes and know why it's considered the best on the market. Don't settle for anything less than maximum pain relief. ArcticBlast is here for you.